In this video, I will show you how to change or remove the Howdy message in the WordPress admin toolbar. And for the purpose of this example, we'll be using a plugin called WPCode. So first things first, log into WordPress dashboard, and then hover on plugins and select add new. Then in search type WPCode and look for this plugin. Then go ahead and install it and then activate. Once that's done, on the left in the menu section, look for code snippets and select add snippet. Then in search type Howdy, and then look for this snippet and select use snippet. Now, all we have to do is essentially just activate it and then press update. And you will notice that Howdy will be changed to welcome. And right now you can make some customizations. For example, instead of welcome message, we can maybe change something like logged in as, and then update. And we'll say logged in as admin or whatever the username is. Or alternatively, we can delete the Howdy message. And for that, simply delete all text within the single quotation marks. So let me just highlight it and just like this. And then once again, update. And all it will say is just the username. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.